Look at this bad boy. Uh-oh.
Oh man. So this is a brand new tire.
Well, I mean this. Yeah, those grew up on this. Guys, while filling up, just remember safety first, right? We need the cones. Safety first. Safety first. It's a working area. 3 hours later, we are back. Impact.
Thank you.
Absolutely. I heard it. Let's see. Oh, it's not. You can literally press it in though. It's
Yeah. Because you heard it deflating.
Sometimes on the
too.
inside though.
Well, this one's good for like torquing wheels and shit. Big stuff.
That is insane. That's all it is. I mean, what else? It does sound like it's sissing through that too.
Yeah, because we don't see any puncture anywhere.
No, there's nothing.
And if it dropped all that air out, you'd definitely see a pretty obvious
So very like on the sidewall or something. Yeah.
somewhere.
Yeah. I think we're all set. That was quite the adventure though.